Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about how to install R packages and how to uninstall, how to update and load R packages. R packages are collections of functions and sometimes data sets and documentations that allow people to share with each other. R has many built-in packages already, but most times we need to install packages by ourselves. So let's see how to install packages first. There are 3 ways to do so. The first way is to use the install.packages function. For example, suppose we want to install a package called survival. We can do the following. Type install.packages in the R console, followed by parentheses, and make sure that you put the package name in quotes. And click enter. And then you see that the package has been installed very quickly. Okay. And immediately you see in the packages panel, you can check that survival is already installed. Okay, survival is here, right? Then, how to uninstall a package? Suppose I install a package and I think it is useless. So we can do the following. We can use the remove.packages function. Okay. So let me clear the console. And make sure that you put the package name in quotes too. Okay, remove.packages. Okay, pay attention, there is an S over here. Okay, and then you see the package has been removed. Okay, so since we only need to install packages once, we usually just type the code in R console instead of put it in R Markdown file or in the R script. Okay. And the second way to install and remove package is using this packages panel directly. Okay, you see if you click packages, highlight this tab, and then click install, then this window prompt up. Then you can type the package name here. For example, we still want to install this package, survival. Okay. And then you can leave this as default and click install. And you see after we click install, immediately install.packages code is shown in the R console. So which means these two are equivalent. Then check it. It has been installed here. Let's see, survival here. Okay. Then how to uninstall it from the panel? Just click it, check it, and then click this cross. Okay. And then R asks you, are you sure you wish to permanently uninstall the survival package? Okay, click yes. And then the package has been removed from RStudio. And you might have noticed that when I click survival, there is a line of code shown in the R console, which is library. Okay? Which means when I check the box besides survival, I actually load the package. Okay? So actually, library is used to load a package. Okay? We will talk about it in a moment. And yet the third way to install a package is to click this Tools button in the menu and then click Install Packages. And again, same window as we have seen earlier, we click Install. Okay, so we will omit this. Okay, so 3 ways. Okay. So now after we install the package, we cannot use it yet. Whenever we open RStudio, we have to load the package so that we can use functions and data sets in the package. So how to load a package? For example, you see I have so many packages here. I suppose I want to load a package called tidyverse. Okay, tidyverse. I can do the following. Okay, you see when I use the library function, we don't have to use quote. So now you see the package has been loaded. And you see there are some notes here. Tidyverse is a package which includes a lot of different packages. One of them is dplyr, okay, dplyr package. And in it there is a function called filter. Okay. So this means that the filter function in tidyverse will mask the filter function in stats package. Okay. And the lag function will mask the lag function in stats package. Different packages may have same name functions. Okay. So it depends on the order of loading packages. The functions in the most recent package will mask functions in previously loaded packages. Okay, so pay attention to that. And you see, after I load tidyverse, some other packages have been checked too. Okay, you see string R, tibble, tidyr, okay, and some other things. Okay, so purrr, read R. That's because all of these packages are included in tidyverse. So whenever I load tidyverse, all of those packages are also available to us. So, and also you see that another way to load a package is to check the little box beside the package name. So for example, let me detach this package. So which means unload the package. Okay, detach those packages. Okay. And in particular, I just want to load the package called dplyr, dplyr, over here. ggplot2 is also in tidyverse. Okay. So let me clear the console first. Okay. Suppose I just want to load dplyr, this package. Okay. Instead of using library function, the library function, I can just check it, okay, in RStudio. And now this package is available to us, okay, in our console. Okay. Alright, so we're done with install, uninstall, and load a package. Okay. And sometimes people use another function called require. Okay. So this function can also be used to load a package. For example, so this one, this also works. Okay. However, there is a very small bug about this require function. That is, if the package is actually not available to us. If we use the require function, it will not give you an error message. It will only give you a warning message, but the program will not be stopped. So imagine if you have a very long program, very long script, it's very easy to ignore this warning message because your program can still run. Unfortunately, you may use a wrong function from a wrong package because you actually hasn't loaded the correct package yet. Okay, so I don't recommend you to use the require function. Just always use the library function to load the package. Okay. Next one is update packages. We can use old.packages function to list all of the out-of-date packages. Okay, for example, if I type this one in my R console, you see I have so many packages that are out of date. But it is not necessary to always update all of the packages unless you really need to use the most recent version. So how to update a package? Two ways. One way is to use update.packages function. Okay. and just leave it open. Okay, update the packages parentheses, and then by doing so, RStudio will update all of the out-of-date packages for you. But each time it will ask you if you really want to update each package. Okay? If you don't want it to ask you each time, you can type ask equals false, okay, in it. In this case, RStudio will update all of the packages for you, okay, without asking. Another way is to use the packages panel. Okay, so click update, then a list of packages will be shown to you. You can choose the ones that you want to update. Okay, you don't have to update all of them. Okay, you can also select all of them, of course. Okay. Anyway, this is how to update a package or packages. And installing packages in regular R, okay, is similar. You can also use install.packages function, okay, or you can click packages and then click install packages, okay, and then you will have a list of packages to choose from. These are all of the available packages for R. Okay, you can choose one and install it. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.